Welcome to the Cougar Time presentation for how Cougar Time will be changing for second semester.
Cougar Time will be changing in the second semester based on three non-negotiable items. 1, all students will have equal access to all of their classes during Cougar Time. 2, all teachers will have equal access to all of their students during Cougar Time. And 3, accountability of all students during the Cougar Time block.
In order to meet these three requirements moving forward, Cougar Time must be modified. Cougar Time is not going away. We are still having Cougar Time, and during Cougar Time, students will continue to have freedom of choice, and they will continue to be able to choose where they're going to go as long as they meet the three non-negotiables.
So we're going to put into place a Cougar Time rotation. Each day of the school week, a rotation period will be assigned. Even and odd will match gold and burgundy. Students will attend the period assigned unless they have requested and have received teacher approval and pass using the online pass system. Cougar Time is not an extended class period. There will not be any new material taught during Cougar Time.
This is an example of the Cougar Time rotation calendar. We will start the rotation on January 28th, and that you will go to period 1 on that day, and then it will just continue burgundy gold, burgundy gold. If we happen to have a cancellation due to snow or weather or anything else, that day just disappears just like a school day would, and the Cougar Time rotation would stay the same. We would not make up that rotation period.
The online pass system will be in place, and it will allow students to request to attend a particular teacher's class during Cougar Time. Teachers may request to see a student during Cougar Time. Students may request to use the library during Cougar Time, and they may also request to visit the center during Cougar Time.
Third period, which is advisory and will stay advisory, will be in the rotation. So it will not meet every Wednesday. It will actually fall on different days of the week. Whenever it's Cougar Time number 3, you will go to advisory. And there are no passes or movement on advisory day, just like now there's no passes or movement during your advisory period.
The library will be open during Cougar Time and will have its own pass system.
The center will also be open during Cougar Time. We're going to move the center to the cafeteria to make it more easily accessible for everybody and a little bit larger space, and it will also have a pass system for the students that will be receiving tutoring. So basically the system will be a pass system. Students again will still have the ability to choose. We will give more information about what the passes look like very soon. For the first rotation, there will be no movement. So beginning January 28th, it is Cougar Time 1. You'll go to first period. January 29th, Cougar Time 2, and so on. That will continue all the way up through February 7th. And then February 8th will be the first day you are able to use passes and choose a location during Cougar Time. It really does work well when everyone is using the passes. It'll take us a little while to get used to it, but it works well. And also when you communicate, talk to your teacher if you need to come see them. Talk to the return period teacher if you need to go somewhere else. And once we get the ball rolling, we are sure that it will work very well. If you have questions or comments about anything, you can always feel free to speak with a teacher or your administrator. Thank you very much.